how to watch and download Squid Game Season 2 in Netflix. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First go ahead and open Netflix on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign in yourself. Now type on the search bar there and search for Squid Game 2. You will then see the season drop down. Tap on the and select the season 2 option. You will now able to watch all the episode of Squid Game season 2. And if you want to download the episode, then tap on the download button beside the episode you can want to download. And with this, you will be able to download the episode. Once downloaded, you can watch the series in offline mode too by going to the download tab. So this is how you can watch and download Squid Game Season 2 in Netflix. And that's it. You are all set to enjoy Squid Game Season 2. Let me know in the comments your favorite moments or theories about what coming next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting content and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.